We're going to do an animal update today, and welcome back to my channel, and we're going to get right to it. So, on our animal update, today I will be showing you the rabbits, the Holsteins, and the cow that we got on the trailer. So here we go, get my shoes on, and there's Cooper. And we're going to go back into the backyard and check things out. So, whoever didn't know about my channel, welcome back. On my channel, I do animal updates and I do auctioneering videos because I'm an auctioneer too, and it just makes my channel a whole lot funner to watch. So here we go, we're on the animals back here. I sold 3 rabbits just a couple Saturdays ago. They were getting old. I needed to go. There's empty cages that they lived in. This is Morgan. She's my doe that I'm going to keep back. That's Carly. We're going to keep her back as well. And then used to have a doe right there, but she left. There's Oreo. He's my breeding buck. He does all the work for me as far as breeding goes. There's Elizabeth. She's from my last litter. And right there is Cookie. We named him Cookie because he was pretty small, and we just got him from an auction as well. But she is really sweet. I love her. She's awesome. Now, time for the surprising part. My doe was expecting about 2 months ago, and we had a litter of babies. Now, if you guys think that putting rabbits inside of a cage is inhumane, well, it's kind of the only way to house them. If I had the choice to not let them be in a cage, I would definitely pick the choice to not let them be in a cage, but this is the only way to house rabbits nowadays, is in a cage. So I'm sorry about if you guys think it's inhumane, but there's a reason for it. There's my doe. We haven't named all of them yet, but we need to get them named, so I got 9 of them. Those are the rabbits. Those are all that I have right now. Here are the Holsteins. These are the calves. They are bottle calves. Both of them are bulls. They are Holsteins, like I said. They got very good colors on them. I like the color on them. Very good looking calves. Here's another glimpse of them. There's Cooper again. Yeah, they're growing like there's no tomorrow, I mean, they just grow like crazy nuts. Can't believe how much they grow. I've never seen a calf grow as fast as they do, but they're Holsteins. I mean, Holsteins grow fast. I mean, it takes almost 6 months to get them up to 800 pounds, and it's just a really fun thing to do, to feed them out, watch them grow over the months, and when it comes time to sell them, you know that you've raised a great product for the consumer, so that's why I like doing it. It's just my favorite thing to do. And that's it.